You see, Parashat Pinchas. Parashat Pinchas first starts with Al-Dabir Hashem and Moshe Lemor. Hashem spoke to Moshe saying, Pinchas ben Elazar ben Aaron, Pinchas, the son of Elazar ben Aaron, Yeshivat Chamotim al ben Israel. He returned back my anger from Israel with the zealousness that he had, and I didn't destroy the Israel. Now Rashi asks, why should say Pinchas ben Elazar ben Aaron? We know that the Pinchas is son of Elazar, son of Aaron. Why do you need to repeat it? If you show Rashi says, because the tribes, they disgraced him. Haritem ben Putizeh, Shepitem, Aveimu, Abel, Avodat Kavim, Walak, Nasi, Shevet, Israel. Haritem, did you see this Ben Puti? This is the son of a Puti. What does Puti mean? Because he's the grandson of Yitro. Shepitem, Aveimu, Akalil, Avodat Kavim. That he trained, he prepared the father of his mother, Agalim, calf, for Avodat Zarah. No, this is a disgraced family. Somebody that his grandfather was Oved Avodat Zarah, all of a sudden, look at him. He's becoming zealous for Avodah Baruch Hu, like Nasi Shevet Israel, and he killed Shevet and Nasi Shevet Israel. If we go Bo'akatu, B'yechesu, Achar Aharon. The Torah comes and says, no, that's not true. The Yichus doesn't go after the grandfather that was over the Avodah Zarah. The Yichus, we relate him to, in other words, the Yichus of the fatherhood goes after Aharon. Now, Abba Epshtis asked the question that, what is it? How could they? First of all, you see from here that the Midrash says 12 Nisim happened when Pinchas did something. Pinchas, whatever that he did, 12 Nisim happened. Now, 12 Nisim happens, and still people could talk about it. What does that tell us? Tell us, no matter what you do, people are going to talk. That should not stop you from doing the right thing. A lot of times in life, people stop doing the right thing because others talk about it. Now, Torah is telling us here, 12 Nisim happened to approve what Pinchas did. Pinchas, whatever that he did last week, Midrash says, 12 miracles happened, whatever that he did. Therefore, you would think that 12 miracles is good enough to close everybody's mouth, that nobody should say something against him. But Torah says, no, it's the reality of life. People find things to say. Therefore, what's my job? What should we do? We should find the right thing, and once we make the assessment is the right thing, we should do it. We should not give up, we should not regret, and we should do the right thing. In other words, imagine the world, a lot of people want to do a lot of things, and because people talk about it, they don't do it, they stop from doing it, and they're going to lose. Now, the Mepharshim say, Taka, how is Shvatim come to disgrace something like that? 12 Nisim happened. How could you come and talk? Listen to calculation of Yetzer Hara. Yetzer Hara comes to them, and they tell them, which one is the greater Kedusha Hashem? If the grandson of Aharon killed somebody's corrupted, and that's corruption of Al Israel, or if you find somebody is not such a great person, he doesn't have such a great yichus, he doesn't have a grandfather that was over the Avodah Zarah, but see what he did, what he accomplished. Maybe if we put it that like this tune, it's better, it's more Kedusha Hashem. It's more Kedusha Hashem to tell people that, see what happened. Such a person from such a background came and he killed. Like Rashi says over here, why does he mention the name of the one who was killed, the man and the lady? Last week, Rashi didn't say the names. This week, because he wants to show the greatness of Pinchas. Even though that he was a leader, Nasi, he wasn't afraid. Even the Kasmi Batsur was the daughter of a king. They would have come after him and they would kill him. He wasn't afraid. Once he decided something is good for Avodah Baruch Hu to happen, he did it. Now, what's better? It's better that to say that somebody with the better yichus did it, or it's more Kedusha Hashem to say that no, disgrace him, he's not such a great person. Still he did it. That's a great Kedusha Hashem. Now on that, Torah says, no, don't do that. Torah says, no, Pinchas is after Aharon, and all is Yetzer Hara. A lot of times, Yetzer Hara comes to a person in the way of doing a mitzvah. I'm doing a mitzvah, I'm not saying, but really deep down, you want to disgrace the person. But the point is that you don't want to say that I'm a Russia, you don't want to say that I'm not a good person. What you do, you try to dress it with mitzvah. You put a favor of mitzvah with it. I'm not doing something wrong. So time to tell people you are creating machloket. So no, I'm not creating machloket, I'm protecting people. But all times you tell a person this is the wrong way of doing this. No, we have to criticize people, we have to tell them, we have to do this. In other words, a lot of times, deep down, a person wants to do something raw, something evil, but what does he do? He puts a garment of Kedusha on it. He melabesh it with the Kedusha and the tab. Here, also this Bnei Shevatim, they felt this is a better to be done. But deep down, they had something against Pinchas because they were jealous of him, whatever that was, and made them to talk against him. The Torah is telling us to be very sorry in life. A lot of times, Yetzer Hara comes to a person in the identification of Kedusha with Hara, makes the person to do the greatest sin, but in the way of Torah mitzvot. We have to be careful to watch ourselves, not to get trapped by Yetzer Hara, the way that they got trapped, the Shevatim, talk about such a great person, which is Pinchas.